Welcome to Beacon 21, a waterfront community in Jensen Beach. This concrete two-halves condo in 55-plus section is move-in ready and features over 1,200 square feet under air. Great floor plan with spacious living room, 2 big bedrooms with ensuite baths, open kitchen with dining area, and a covered porch. This unit has been updated with new laminate floors in the living room, an updated kitchen, newer appliances, new carpets in bedrooms, and fresh paint. The large enclosed porch is a great place for morning coffee and features Rolladen shutters. Beacon 21 is in a wonderful location close to downtown Jensen, Sewalls Point, downtown Stuart, local parks, the Intracoastal waterway, and the beach. Amenities include billiards, clubhouse, pool, waterfront picnic area, shuffleboard, tennis/pickleball, and access to the community marina. The marina can accommodate up to a 21-feet boat. Check availability. Owners are allowed 1 pet, any size. Pickup trucks west/o signage allowed. Open house 12/12, from 11 to 2.